Welcome all the students of class 4 in our online mathematics class. Today I am going to start a new lesson 6 divisions. Now while doing the division, we'll have to come across some new terms. Like this is called dividend. The dividend is that the number to be divided is called the dividend. And this is called the divisor. It is a number by which we divide. This is known as quotient. The answer is known as quotient. And the number that is left after dividing is known as remainder. Okay student, now come to activity 1, sums number 2. Find the quotient by long division method. It is the same type of division that you did in class 3. Now I will show you how to do this sum. 396 divided by 4. So I have written this sums 4 divided by 396. 4 9s are 36. So this is 9, so I have to subtract that, it comes 3 and 6 is came down. So 4 9s are 36, so there is no remainder, so I will put cross. So the quotient is 99. Next sum, 4416 divided by 5. So again the same way I will do. 5 8s are 40, here is 44, so after minusing it came 4. Now 1 will come down, 5 8s are 40 again, then 1 came down, and again 5 3s are 15, there is 16, so the difference is 1. So here the quotient is 883 and the remainder is 1. I have to write both quotients and remainder both together. Now come to the next sums. This is a problem sums. First I will read the question. An auditorium has a seating capacity of 324 people. Find the number of rows in the auditorium if each row has 9 seats. So I have to only find the number of rows. Now see how I have done these sums. Total seating capacity in the auditorium is 324. It is given. Number of seats in each row also given. This is 9. So I have to find the number of rows. So to find the number of rows, I have to divide this number by 9. 324 divided by 9. See, I have done the division. So it becomes 36. So I have to write the answer. There are 36 rows in the auditorium. In this way, we will do the problem sums. Now, to divide with 10, 100 and 1000, we have to follow certain rules. Okay. Now, division by 100, 10 and 1000. First with 10. On dividing a number by 10, the quotient is obtained by removing the ones digit. If we remove the ones digit, this ones digit became the remainder. Now it will be more clear if you see this sum. 324 divided by 10, the ones number is 4. See 10 3s are 30, 2 come down and 4 came down. 10 2s are 20 and remainder is 4. See, the ones became the remainder. So quotient is 32 divided by 4. On dividing with 100, on dividing a number by 100, the quotient is obtained by removing the tens and ones. Here I have to remove ones and tens. This digit later became the remainder. The tens and ones digit become remainder. See, 100 divided by 957 divided by 100. So if I divide the 10 9s are 900, the remainder came 57. See, the 57. Ones is 7 and 10 is 5. So quotient become 9 and the remainder become 57. Now with 1000, on dividing a number by 1000, the quotient is obtained by removing the hundreds, tens and ones digit, and the number of these digit became the remainder. The same way, see, 4723 divided by 1000 is 1000 4s are 400 and remainder is 723. This is the ones, this is the tens, this is the 100 place. So quotient is 4 and the remainder is 27. That's all for today. Now you have to do some homework also. See, activity 1, page 59, number 2, B, C, D, G, H, 3 and 5. And activity 3, page 62, number 1, E, G, H, I, 2, E, G, H, I, and 3, E, G, H, I. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy the chapter. So goodbye. Welcome everybody in the second part of the video, lesson 6, chapter divisions. Okay, now activity 4. Activity 4, you have to do divide and check your answer. That means you have to first divide, then you have to check your answers. Now I will show you how to do this. Sums number 2. 13865 divided by 6. You have to divide these sums and then you have to check your answer. So I have started doing divide in this way. 6 divided by 13865. Now 6 2s are 12. Carry 1. Then 8 will come down. 6 3s are 18. Then 6 come down. 6 1s are 6. And 5 come down. Then I will write 0. So the quotient become 2310 and the remainder 5. Now I have to check this answer. Check. For checking answer, we know that divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay. Now my divisor was 6 and my quotient was 2310 plus my remainder is 5. So if we multiply 2310 by 6, we will get 13860 plus remainder 5. So I got 13865, which is same as the dividend. So now my sums is right. So this way we will divide and check the answer. Next sums. 9289 divided by 34. This also we have to divide and then check our answers. Now 34 2s are 68. It's come 24. 8 come down. 34 7s is 238. 10 and 9 came down. And 34 3s is 102 and the remainder is 7. So the quotient is 273 and the remainder is 3. This also I have to check. Similarly, the same way divisor into quotients plus remainder is equal to dividend. So my divisor was 34 and the quotient is 273 and the remainder is 7. So 34 into 273 is 9282 plus 7. That means 9289. 9289. See, it is the same. So my sums is right. Now I will go to activity 5. There are some problem sums. You have to write the statement and then you have to do the sums. Sums number 4. First I will read the question. 18 book cost rupees 9,972. Find the cost of one book. Here I have to find the cost of one book. We know that to find the cost of one book we have to divide. So I will write the statement. Cost of 18 books is given rupees 9972. Don't forget to give the rupees sign. Therefore, the cost of one book is 9972 divided by 18. So I've done the division over there and my quotient came 554 rupees. So I will write the answer. Cost of one book is rupees 554. Next sums number 5. First I will read the question. Rahul packed 2,470 kg wheat equally in 38 bags. How much does each bag weigh? So I have to find the weight of each bag. Total quantity of wheat is equal to 2,470 kg. Number of bags is 38. Therefore, weight of each bag 2470 divided by 38. So after dividing, I got 65. So my answer is weight of each bag is 65 kg. Now the next sums is estimations in division. Here first I have to estimate the value, then I have to do the division. Estimate the quotient by rounding off to the number to their greatest value. That means I have to first round the sum to their greatest value. Sums number 2. 179 divided by 18. So 179 is rounded off to 200. To their greatest value means I have to round it off to hundreds, nearest 100. So this is 7 more than 5. So I will add 1 over there. So it becomes 200. And 18 is rounded off to 20, nearest tens. So 200 divided by 20. If we divide, we will get 10. So the quotient is about 10. Since I have done the estimation, that is why I have written is about in the answer. Next sums. $579 divided by 35. So 579 is rounded off to 600, nearest 100, and 35 is rounded off to nearest in, that is 40. So 600 divided 40, if we divide, we will get 15 as a quotient. So the quotient is about 15. Now similarly you have to do the homework. Very little I have given homework from this chapter. Activity 4 page 65, number 3, 4, 6, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Activity 5 page 65, number 2, 3 and 6. This is the problem sums. And activity 6 page 66, number 2, 3, 5, 6 and 8. That's all for today. I hope you will enjoy this doing this homework. So goodbye everybody.